I've been exploring the 20-Minute Trader program for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the 20-Minute Trader. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the 20-Minute Trader program. 20-Minute Trader program is designed for individuals looking to master day trading in a quick and structured way, with a focus on stock market patterns that emerge within the first 20 minutes of daily trading. Additionally, the program provides over 25 step-by-step lessons through video tutorials, offering a hands-on approach to learning the essentials of day trading. Moreover, its core promise is to help participants identify predictable market patterns for potential quick profits, all within a highly time-efficient structure. The course is divided into several tiers, starting with a free introductory lesson and scaling up to premium options such as the Elite Trading Club at $497 per month. For those committed to exploring advanced strategies, the program includes a one-time God Mode tier, although its pricing is undisclosed. Additionally, the course emphasizes simplicity and accessibility, catering to both beginners with minimal trading experience and advanced traders seeking new techniques. One of the standout features of this program is its 30-day money-back guarantee, offering reassurance to those hesitant about investing. However, despite all these features, there's limited public proof of consistent earnings among students. Another drawback is the lack of clarity about regular course updates, which may concern those seeking long-term guidance. Overall, 20-Minute Trader is a convenient and well-structured option for anyone intrigued by short-term trading strategies, especially for those wanting to maximize learning in a concise format. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.